Monkey. Monkeys are generally considered to be intelligent. Elephant. Elephants are the largest existing land animals. Albatross. Albatross is of the biological family Diomediidae. Bull. Bull is an intact adult male of the species Bos taurus. Alligator. Alligator of the family Alligatoridae. Camel. Camel is a desert animal. Otter. Otters are carnivorous mammals in the subfamily Butyrini. Deer. Deer or true deer are hoofed ruminant mammals. Dog. Dogs were the first species to be domesticated. Gorilla. Gorillas are herbivorous. Dolphin. Dolphin species belong to the families Delphinidae. Loin. The loin is a large cat of the genus Panthera native Africa. Zebra. Zebras are African equines with distinctive black and white speedball. Sheep. Sheep or domesticated sheep are domesticated. Horse. The horse is a domesticated. Orangutan. Orangutans are great apes native to the rainforest of the Indonesia. Leopard. The leopard cat is a small white cat native Africa. Hedgehog. Hedgehog is a spiny mammal of the subfamily Erinaceinae. Frog. Frog is a water and land animal. Emu. Emu is the second tallest living bird after its red-eyed relative the ostrich. Kangaroo. Kangaroos are four marsupials of the family. Lynx. Lynx is any of the four species. Cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest land animal. Panda. The G panda is a bear species endemic to China. Llama. The llama is a domesticated South American chameleon. Tiger. The tiger is the largest living cat species and a member of the genus Panthera. Flamingo. Flamingos or flamingos are a type of wading bird. Mammoth. Mammoth is any species of the extinct elephantid genus Mammuthus. White tiger. The white tiger or Finnish tiger is a lusty pigmentation.